Hey BZB TV fans, my name is Matt Richards with BZB Gear, and today we're taking a look at the BG-OMNITAK. This is a part of our essential gear lineup. We already took a look at the Pro gear lineup with the BG-OMNITAK-PRO, but let's talk about what you're going to get with the OMNITAK-PRO's little brother, the BG-OMNITAK. So, the BG-OMNITAK, just like the OMNITAK-PRO, is going to be a conference room speakerphone or a just speakerphone in general. We really target it towards conference, but you could use this in your house, you could use this to listen to music, whatever you want to do with this, it's going to do speakerphone things. So let's actually talk about what you're getting in terms of features. First things first, you're going to get adaptive deep echo cancellation. You're going to get adaptive amplification technology, just like the BG-OMNITAK-PRO. So what that means is you're going to get a very nice high quality sound out of this. You're not going to be putting through poor quality sound. People on the other end are going to be able to hear you fine, and they're not going to hear themselves through your own microphone because it's going to cancel out that echo. On top of that, this has a couple microphones in it. That means you're going to get up to 16 feet capture distance. So if you're across the room, still going to be able to pick you up. On top of that, you get these nice tactile buttons on the front. Unlike the OMNITAK-PRO, it's not going to be touchscreen, but you still get the nice, very tactile buttons that are going to do the job for you. And one thing about this unit is it is wireless. So you're getting USB connection as well as Bluetooth. And because it's wireless, that also means it has an internal battery. So you can take this thing on the go. It operates with Bluetooth 5.0. You get an included dongle if you lack Bluetooth connection on your computer, so you can just plug in a USB, little wireless USB device, and it'll pick up the Bluetooth for you. On top of that, with this speakerphone, you get a 2400 milliamp hour battery. So whether you need this on the go, this is going to be able to take care of you pretty well with a fairly long battery life. So if you're in the market for a speakerphone that's going to do the job, but you don't need all of the extra bells and whistles like a touchscreen control or anything of that nature, then you're really going to want to check out the BG-OMNITAK. However, if you want something nicer, then you're going to want to check out the BG-OMNITAK-PRO. You can check out that video that we did earlier, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.